Hi, for today's video is how to use WhatsApp on computer. WhatsApp is becoming the most popular chat application, exchanging millions of text, images, and video messages daily. While WhatsApp is primarily used on mobile devices, most users may need to realize there is a web version of WhatsApp called WhatsApp Web. With the WhatsApp Web feature, you can connect to WhatsApp on your computer and use it on Windows or Mac without paying an extra cost for a phone plan. Using WhatsApp Web on Windows and Mac is simple and exciting as it sounds. So here are some effective methods to get WhatsApp up and running on your computer. So just to show you, I have here in front my laptop, and here are the instructions for WhatsApp Web. So first is open WhatsApp on your phone. Then on the three dots on the upper right corner, select link devices. And to use WhatsApp on other devices, press link a device. Then I will scan the code. So now, just to show you, it's already linked in my device and on my laptop. Next thing is, I have also downloaded one WhatsApp application here in my desktop. So you just need to download the WhatsApp app. So it's just the same step. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!